In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Notion. Whether you're managing a personal project or organizing tasks for work, incorporating social media icons can bring a dose of personality and useful links to your Notion pages, making them both stylish and functional. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your Notion page where you'd like to add the social media icons. Take a moment to think about where these icons will be most useful to you. Maybe it's at the top for easy access, or further down the page to complement specific content. Once you've decided on the perfect spot, it's time to bring it to life with your icons. With your page open, you'll see various options at the top. Look for the Add Icon button and give it a click. This action opens a gateway to customize your page. Icons can be such a simple yet effective way to represent links to your social media profiles quickly. Now that you've clicked Add Icon, you will see different choices for uploading an image. Go ahead and select the Upload option. This choice allows you to use personalized icons that reflect your brand or individual style, instead of the generic ones. It adds a layer of customization that's tailored just for you. In the next step, you'll select the icons you want to upload. If you haven't already, gather those brilliant icons from a reliable source, ensuring they're the right size and format to suit Notion. Once you've picked your favorites, it's time to upload them. Click on your chosen image files, and Notion will handle the rest, integrating them smoothly onto your page. Follow the on-screen prompts as they guide you through the final steps. Notion might ask you to confirm your uploads, or give you some additional customization options, so keep an eye out for these prompts. They are there to ensure that everything runs smoothly and looks pristine on your page. Ultimately, adding social media icons provides a visually appealing navigation aid right within your Notion workspace. It bridges the gap between your productivity tools and your social connectivity effortlessly. Share these links with colleagues or friends, making sure everyone engages with the exact content you intend. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are excited to add a personal touch to your Notion pages with social media icons. Remember, Notion is all about tailoring your workspace to fit your needs, and now you can do so with a little extra flair. Feel free to like or comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time.